How's it going, everybody? My name is Warner Fields with Fields of Profit. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and full-time student, and in today's video we're going to be diving into some online arbitrage sourcing without using tactical arbitrage. We should just be using Keepa, and I'm also going to use Jungle Scout, but that's not necessary for this sourcing method. So this is a Keepa only sourcing method for online arbitrage, so you can really get a good idea if this is something you're interested in with pretty low software costs. So we're just going to go ahead and dive into some manual searches, see if we can find some good products in 10-15 minutes here. Before we do that, if you could click the subscribe button, help my business out as I'm going to help your business out. Let's make it a fair trade, but let's jump into it, see what we can find. So it can seem pretty overwhelming at first to find a product for online arbitrage without using tactical arbitrage or any of the scraper softwares like that, but this method I actually use fairly often. Even though I have tactical arbitrage, I find that this manual searching method is actually pretty effective for when you're not seeing any good coupon codes. That's how I typically use tactical arbitrage, is if I see websites with good sales, like maybe a buy one get one sale or a 20% off site wide, then I'll go ahead and use tactical arbitrage and search it. But if I don't have anything like that to source through, then I'll actually use this method fairly often, rather than just telling tactical arbitrage to scan a million things at full price, just like everybody else is doing. I think kind of the legwork of doing this is going to net you more leads per hour, because it's a little more barrier to entry. It's just a little bit harder to do. So I'm just going to show you this method real quick. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find an online arbitrage seller, because that online arbitrage seller is going to have other products that they are selling that are online arbitrage, obviously, right? Unless they're one product, in which case we'll just skip over them. So we're looking for an online arbitrage seller. And the way we're going to do that is to just find a product that we know has to be online arbitrage. In this case, I'm going to go to a brand. So let's just say Great Value. Let's go for Great Value paper plates, because this product is only sold at Walmart. Therefore, everyone who's selling this product has to be sourcing from Walmart and is likely to be selling other items that are from other retail stores or from Walmart or whatever. So we're just going to go ahead and click two of these listings here, and we're going to just check out these sellers. So on this listing, let's see what we've got. It looks like not an FBA offer. It's just a merchant fulfiller. This is probably somebody's drop shipping product. We're going to go ahead and check this one out. This is probably a little more likely to have FBA offers. Let's just select the 100 count and see what we got. So we've got 5 sellers here. We've got them. Something I'm usually looking for is the number of ratings. You can also use this strategy to find storefronts to reverse search. If you have tactical arbitrage, you can take their storefront ASIN and then run that through a reverse search using this method. But we're not using tactical arbitrage this video. That's just a little nugget for you if you use tactical arbitrage. So we're going to go ahead and click through here, because this person's selling Great Value. They're probably selling other things they're sourcing from retail stores. And so we're just going to go from the top, because it sorts kind of naturally by sales volume almost. You can see the ranks of a lot of these things are pretty high, and we're kind of going down, or we're going up in rank as we scroll down. So they're more or less getting less sales as we go down. So really you can just source the first 2 or 3 pages of every seller and move on. So you're just looking to snipe their best stuff. So I'm going to use this extension. Is called DS Amazon Quickview. It's free. I love it. This is check permission. I get a lot of questions on this one. These are 2 things that are going to really help you on this method. This one's free. This is $10 a month. So I guess if you wanted to do that, that'd be another software cost, but it's definitely not necessary at the very beginning. So we're just looking for products that are not sold by Amazon and that we can sell. So we've got, looks like a lot of these are sold by Amazon. So we've actually got these paper plates that we already saw, so we can go ahead and check those out. We've got this Mr. Coffee here. We've got some Glad Press and Seal. So we're just going to go ahead and try and see if we can find these products. I'm just going to copy this and then throw it into a search. And then it's probably going to pull it up at Walmart, because that's where it's being sourced from. Looks like these are 300 count. So this could be something else. Let's see if we can find the listing for the actual 100 count plates here. It might be on a grocery listing or something like that. So here's the 100 count. It might be a pickup only, but these are 364. This could also get you some retail arbitrage products in case you wanted to make a list and go into the store yourself for products that they're not shipping, because I don't think they are shipping these. Let's just see what we can pull if we search this on Walmart.com, because we found it on grocery, but that is not going to ship straight to our house, which obviously is much preferred. Let's see if we can get this one right here. There's a 200 count. So probably you can't get these shipped to your house, but that's a good little thing to look out for in case you wanted to get it as a retail pickup. This is 364, and then that listing over here, we'll select the 100 count. It is selling for $12.45. Keepa indicates that that's maybe a little bit high of a price right now. Probably 12 is more realistic to run the profit at. After shipping and everything, it's going to be $4, so there's really no profit here. But that's just one quick lead here, so let's just keep going. We've got the Mr. Coffee here. Let's just go ahead and search them, see where they're pulling it from. Looks like Walmart's got it in stock. We could check Mr. Coffee themselves. Sometimes they have a little page that says buy it from these places, or they're selling it themselves. So yeah, see here it says where to buy. So we can go ahead and click there. And that's going to show us all the stores that are in stock. So it looks like Target and Walmart have it. Walmart is selling it for $20 currently. And on Amazon, it's going for probably 40, I think it was. Yeah, looks like it's going for 40. Keepa indicates that it sells between $37 to $40 pretty consistently. Up here, this might be a decent lead if it's not super heavy. It looks like it might be a little heavy here. So we're paying 20 for it. Shipping 4 pounds is going to cost about $1. So in this case, this would be 13% margin, $5 profit. Nothing incredible, but the sales rank is pretty nice. I'm going to use the Jungle Scout extension. This does the same thing as junglescout.com/estimator, which is going to, so I can just run it here just to show you how I would do this. The Chrome extension is really nice though. If you wanted to get the Chrome extension at some point, I've got links for that that'll get you a discount. But you just click the Chrome extension up there, and it shows you the number of monthly sales and sellers. So you can just kind of do some quick mental math to see how many you'd sell every month. And then we can also use the junglescout.com/estimator for now, since that's the free version. We're going to estimate kind of the average rank to be probably 40,000, because it kind of goes up and down a lot. So we've got 40,000. It was in home and kitchen in the United States. Home and kitchen. So we're going to run, let's see here. We're going to estimate the monthly sales here. And Jungle Scout estimates our sales at about 630 per month. Just kind of eyeballing it based on the average rank. The Chrome extension is probably a little more accurate, which is why I like the Chrome extension. That's actually a pretty big difference for your sourcing decisions, but you typically only buy 20 to 30 to test anyway. But regardless, this might be interesting as kind of a high volume item, because this would be pretty much a guaranteed 25% ROI. Let's see what the listings on this are, see how many Amazon Prime sellers there are on here. Kind of competitive sellers is what we're looking for, is sellers within, I believe it's 2% of the buy box, which right now is $40 because that's the lowest Prime offer. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 3 competitive sellers, and then quite a few more to consider. They might end up dropping their prices or something like that. But if you are gonna consider buying this one, your true cost from Walmart would be that $20. So we're selling it for about 40. We'll average it out at 38. So you're buying it for 20, but if you have a Walmart cashback card, you're getting your 5% back. So that would give you, that would put you down to $19 average cost. And then your ship to Amazon on this is probably going to be $1 or so, maybe $1.50, just to be very, very generous with what it's going to really cost. So this would be a really thin margin product, but this is almost guaranteed profit for me. I would probably skip this, but if you're interested in just kind of testing the concept, you could, if you're watching the video right now, you could go buy 5 of these and test it out and see what happens. It'll definitely generate some sales for you. It'll make a couple bucks, nothing crazy, but that's as simple as it is to find an okay lead here. Let's see if we can find a good lead on this one. This is a really weird looking Keepa graph. This price likes to jump up every now and then. That'd be nice to catch that buy box. So we've got press and seal, 140 square feet. Glad press and seal. I'm looking for 140 square feet. Let's see where we can get this from. We can get it from Walmart. Looks like a lot of people are offering it here. Sam's Club might be selling it in a 2-pack. This is a different product. Here's the product, but it's $5 a unit. This probably doesn't look super promising. I would probably move on at this point because we need two count of them, and it's only going for $15. Our buy cost right now would be probably $9–10, so there's not going to be any profit there. So we can keep searching through this seller, or I'm going to go ahead and check out this other seller, see if they have anything interesting on their top of the list. We've got some almonds sold by Amazon, those same paper plates. We've got some soap we can look at. We've got this shampoo. We've got, these are a little cheap, and it's a pack of 2, so I don't like having to bundle things for less than $10. I don't have a problem with bundling for 2 packs and stuff like that, but not for $10, because you have to consider the extra costs of paying someone to bundle or the time cost for yourself to bundle. In that case, there's some washcloths. Those are a Walmart product for sure, and some popcorn bags. So let's see if we can find any of this stuff. This price stays really consistent. This price almost makes me think that it's some kind of MAP protected product, but the number of new sellers doesn't really indicate that it would be a problem to sell this to me. If it was maybe 5 or 6 sellers, I'd be a little more wary and think that it might be a wholesale product. But we're gonna go ahead and search this, see what we can find. From Walmart, we've got it there. We've got it from Rite Aid. Check Sam's Club. Let's see here. That one is out of stock, and a third-party seller is selling it. This looks out of stock and different. This is also out of stock and probably different. This one, I'm probably just going to go ahead and pass on. There's no reason to keep digging for that one. Let's see if we can find this pet shampoo. Looks like Amazon used to sell it for about $6, but they've been out of stock for quite a while. They've tried to come into stock every now and then immediately stock out. So I have no problem trying to get on this listing. Let's see if we can find this product. Looks like we might have it from Walmart for $5. And then over here, make sure it's the same product. We've got, you want to double check everything, make sure every word is the same. You want to make sure you're looking at shampoo. You want to make sure you've got the right scent. You want to make sure that the sizes match up, because you don't want an unhappy customer or to buy a whole bunch of something that then is gonna not match up, and then you're gonna have to return it. It'd be a whole headache. So this looks shampoo, lime verbena, oatmeal formula, all these things match up. So let's go ahead and run a profit calculation on this one. We've got pretty decent keep a graph here. So it is selling for $14.60. We're going to be paying $5 a unit for it, and that leaves us with a profit of about $3.80, which is, this is a pretty good product. That's a really high ROI. You should definitely get on this product if you want to start selling on Amazon. This is a great way to start. Yeah, this is honestly a home run product. We could run a little ROI calculation on this. You're going to be paying $5, or you're going to be returning about $3.50 after you ship it, and you're going to be paying $5 for it. So that's a 70% ROI, which is way higher than you'll normally be able to expect to get. So just like that, we found a very profitable product with reverse sourcing, just making sure everything matches up here, and I'm pretty sure it does. So go ahead and check out this product if you're interested. But that's just a quick little rundown into how I source for online arbitrage without tactical arbitrage. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're just starting out in online arbitrage and don't want to dive into tactical arbitrage just yet, this is a great way to start. If you want to go ahead and learn how to use tactical arbitrage, you can check out the video that's going to be up in that corner up there. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. That helps me out with the algorithm. Ask any questions down below that you have. If you find a good lead with this method, don't give away your product, but let me know if you're finding, let me know, hey, I found a product that's going to make me $400 a month. That's awesome feedback. I love to hear that. Love to hear that I'm really helping you guys out. But that is going to do it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.